Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Folake and I live in Lagos, Nigeria. But today I will be showing you a DIY on how to clean your makeup brush at home. So all your the beauty blender, the brushes, everything. It's very easy, very easy to clean at home. So I'll be showing you the step by step on how to clean it. So if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to watch, just keep on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget to share. So see you later. Keep watching.
So I actually soaked it in hot water with the black soap and left it for about 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. And yeah, this is the black soap I'll be using. You know, black soap is actually good for your face and skin. So I'm like, okay, this is a very good product I should use because it's not harmful. And the makeup brushes are for my face. And I'll be using this silicone brush cleaner as well. I'll be using the surface to wash the makeup brushes. So yeah, so I'll just I'm packing it away from the dirty brownish water. So I'll just take all those makeup brushes away. You can see how dirty, like brown. When I see something, it's brown with beauty. Yeah. So you can see how brownish it is. It shows it's very dirty. So yeah. So I'll just take it away from the water. As I mentioned, I left it there for like 10 minutes inside hot water. So I'll be washing it now differently one after the other with the black soap. Yeah. So yeah, I soaked it. I put it in the water. So now you can see this is the black soap I'll be using. Yeah. So I'll just take it one after the other to wash the makeup brushes with the silicone brush cleaner. So I'll take this first brush, apply the black soap on it, then take the silicone brush cleaner and scrub. When I mean scrub, you make sure you scrub it inside, like you scrub it on the surface of the silicone brush cleaner very well, so that it can clean all the dirt in and out, in and out. So just make sure you scrub it very well. When I mean very well, I mean very well. Make sure you can see that, okay, it's becoming cleaner. It's becoming, like, you can see the ladder, the soap ladder is a bit white, but then I'll still go back again so that I'm very sure that, like, it's completely, you can see that it's already getting white. So I'll take the soap again and wash again, still using the silicone brush cleaner. I'll wash. Yeah, so guys, you can even see the soap ladder, like it's already white, like very white. And after that, I'll use a toothbrush to clean the handle of the makeup brush. So I will apply the soap on the toothbrush and use it to scrub those wooden handle. You know, sometimes your makeup can get to stick on it while you're using it, so you have to clean. When you're cleaning, make sure it's 100% clean. So I will use the toothbrush to wash the handle as well, and you can see that the way it is right now from the washing everything, definitely don't expect anything less. It should be cleaned. Yeah, so yeah, you can see that, guys. You can see how clean it is, like compared to when it was brownish brown. So you can see how clean it is now, like. So I'll just put it in a bowl now, and I'll put some water, so I'll use that to rinse afterwards. Yeah, so the next thing I'll do now is I'll just repeat the same process. You can see how clean it is, like clean. So I'll repeat the same process for each makeup or the other. You can see how brown that one is. So I'm repeating the same process. So that's just what I'm doing. Repeating. So I just don't want to bore you guys. So I just have to, like, make the steps very fast. So I'm washing everything. You can see how white it is after wash. Yeah. So same thing, just do the same thing over and over, including the, what's it called, the sponge. So that's it, the beauty blender, the same thing too. All the brushes, same thing. The beauty blender as well. The beauty blender also carries a lot of threads, so you have to make sure everything you wash all your makeup tools or your makeup brushes and the beauty blender. So yeah, so that is it, guys. Wash and clean. You can see how clean it is after wash. Then I'll make sure after that I rinse. You can see how clean it is, guys.
So guys, I could record everything. So guys, I couldn't record everything because my phone actually went off. So yeah, but I think you were able to get the scope on how to wash. It's very easy with your black soap, because black soap is actually good for your face, so you can actually use it for your makeup brushes as well. So once again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please share. See you again next time, next video. Bye.